Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thailand's version of the terminal. What do we mean by the terminal? Well, there was a movie some years back. I believe it had Tom Hanks in it. It was called The Terminal. It was about a guy who lived in an airport terminal because there, I believe, was a coup in his home country, and he just couldn't return. And he couldn't get out into the country that he was in, so he was just stuck in this airport for a prolonged period of time. I think in the movie it was like months, if not years, he was stuck in this airport. It was apparently based on a real true story of somebody in the French airport that similar things had happened to him. Yeah, airports are an interesting place because they're one of those places that for the most part are just sort of open and running 24/7. So if you just are sort of like bus stations or something, if you just kind of stay out of the way and stay on the public benches or whatever, nobody even really notices you're there because they're all doing something else. They're transiting through. The reason I thought of making this video, I was reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post. It's bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, "Woman Found Living at Suvarnabhumi Airport for 2 months." At first, when I read the headline, I kind of started laughing, but it's really kind of heartwarming. I urge those, or heart-wrenching, it kind of tugs at the heartstrings. I urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article for yourself. But quoting directly, Samut Prakan, the Pawina Hongsakun Foundation has come to the assistance of a homeless woman found secretly living inside Suvarnabhumi Airport for over 2 months. The emaciated woman, whose name was withheld, has been previously reported as begging for handouts from airport visitors and stealing from convenience stores. She reportedly told authorities that she was waiting for her mother to retrieve her. Yeah, and again, if you're interested in this, I urge those who are watching this to check out that article. Really, again, it was pretty darn sad. And that Pawina Hongsakun Foundation, I think sounds like they're really doing some great work over there, helping folks out. But getting stuck in an airport isn't any fun. I can't imagine what it's like to be in there for like multiple months. And it probably wasn't great at all, especially these past 2 months where there's been more people than there have been in the last 2.5 years, but it's definitely a lower number of folks than are usually there. So, I'm sure the begging proceeds were not very good. So it's a sad article, but I guess I just kind of thought it was kind of a human interest piece, thought about going ahead and making it, and it pertains kind of to immigration. So thought of going ahead and making a video. And it's just kind of one of those curious things that international travel can breed these kind of weird little anomalies where you'd never see something like that in virtually any other context.